What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to go over this cleaning block. Now, my wife bought this cleaning block. I have to say that this thing actually cleans very good, and we are going to show y'all that right now. You know, these chairs are my island chairs and my kids eat on them, and yeah, you know how I get when you have kids. So welcome to the parent life. Okay, you guys, so my wife is ready to get into it. Now, the first thing she said is use a glove because the texture of the soap feels funny to her. And she tried to use the spinning brush, but she said it didn't really go too good for her. So she went and got like one of those regular cleaning brushes and she used that instead. So she rubbed the soap, used the brush, and brush it, and then she's going to do it again. It's almost like a rinse, wash, and repeat type of thing. And it's coming off very well. As you can see, the left side is looking better. As she goes on, there she go again. She is brushing it, brushing it, brushing it, getting that foam effect in, and it is coming out very nice, you guys. Now, one thing I'm gonna say is, you know, these is our island chairs. These are chairs that the kids eat in. For me, I like using the spot cleaner, but if you can't afford a spot cleaner, then this may be a different alternative. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. Me or my wife will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.